The political meltdown over Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh's arrest. In just minutes from now, we'll know about the custody verdict that is handed down by the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi. But before that, while we wait for that judge to hand down that verdict on how many days of custody is going to be granted to the Enforcement Directorate, here's everything you need to know about the Liquorgate scam and what the ED says they have on the Aam Aadmi Party leader they've just arrested.
Delhi liquor dangle explodes. Sensational details revealed after the arrest of AAP MP Sanjay Singh in the liquor policy scam. Sources in ED claim the agency has established money trail between accused turned approver Dinesh Arora and Sanjay Singh. Arora allegedly handed over crores of rupees to Sanjay Singh. ED sources claim they have evidence that Sanjay Singh allegedly received the money. The BJP and AAP are at war. AAP is calling Sanjay Singh's arrest a political witch hunt, while the BJP claims it is the rule of law.
दिनेश अरोड़ा जो बिजनेसमैन है, जो रेस्टोरेंट चलाते हैं दिल्ली में, उनको संजय सिंह जी ने 2020 में फोन करके कहा कि चुनाव दिल्ली के आ रहे हैं, मोटा पैसा इकट्ठा करना है. Some of his issues were stuck in the excise department. और बदले में दिनेश अरोड़ा ने कहा मैंने मोटा माल इकट्ठा किया है, ये पैसा मैंने मनीष सिसोदिया और संजय सिंह को दिया है संजय सिंह के कहने पर, तो मुझे इस एक्साइज के केस से निकाला जाए, मुझे इस एक्साइज के काम में मदद की जाए.
संजय सिंह इसलिए जेल नहीं गए हैं क्योंकि उनके घर पे कुछ पैसे मिले, उनके घर पे कुछ भी नहीं मिला. संजय सिंह को इसलिए गिरफ्तार किया है क्योंकि वो मोदी जी और उनके खास दोस्तों के बीच में जो सांठगांठ है, जो भ्रष्टाचार है इस सरकार का, उसको उजागर करने वाली सबसे बुलंद आवाज है.
Aam Aadmi Party workers on Thursday hit the streets in Delhi protesting against Sanjay Singh's arrest. Marching towards the BJP headquarters, AAP workers breached barricades and fought with the police at the protest site.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी 24 के हार से बौखलाकर पागल हो गई है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी ईडी और सीबीआई के साथ विपक्ष की आवाज को कुचलने की कोशिश कर रही है.
Sanjay Singh is the second high-profile AAP leader after Manish Sisodia to be arrested in the alleged Delhi liquor policy scam. Former Delhi Minister Satyendar Jain is on interim bail for medical treatment after spending months in prison in another money laundering case. Meanwhile, central agencies cracked down in many opposition-ruled states as well. Income tax and ED teams conducted searches in several locations, including Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad and Shivamogga in Karnataka. IT officials raided multiple locations in Chennai related to DMK MP Jagat Rakshakan. It is probing educational institutes linked to the MP. The ED raided Bengal Minister Rathin Ghosh's residence in Kolkata over his alleged involvement in municipality recruitment scam. IT officials conducted searches at properties related to BRS MLA Maganti Gopinath in various parts of Hyderabad, including his residence and offices. Bureau Report, India Today.
Anisha Mathur is at the Rouse Avenue Court. Any moment now, we're going to get that order from the judge on the custody of Sanjay Singh. Anisha, do we know how long that's going to take?
Well, Shiv, at the moment the judge is inside his chamber. He will be coming out to pass the order very shortly, but we do not have a timeline at the moment. But the questions that the court had asked, we need to look at that. Sanjay Singh, of course, is sitting in the courtroom talking to his lawyers while the judge is inside his chamber deliberating on the verdict, of course. But we need to see what happened in the court today. The ED has said that they have evidence that was given by Dinesh Arora, who's the approver in the case. They also have evidence from 2 other persons. They also have emails as well as certain other documentation. Sanjay Singh's lawyers, on the other hand, said that the emails, the CDRs, the documentation, etc. has been with the ED for more than a year, and they questioned why Sanjay Singh has been arrested now without even being called in for questioning previously. Sanjay Singh himself also made a statement saying that he was never called for questioning, and this arrest is only to humiliate him right now because it's a political issue. However, the ED in response has said that, well, Dinesh Arora, who's the approver, had changed his statement because he was being threatened, because Vijay Nair had told him that the people you're trying to accuse are big people. So clearly the ED has also hinted that not just Sanjay Singh but two other people, two other big names are still under investigation. That is something that is very crucial, that has come out from today's hearing. What the court will do about all of this information, now we'll have to wait and see. But of course, very shortly we are expecting the order to come. It's now almost 5:30 p.m. and in the next few minutes we are expecting the order to come from the court. Remember, the ED had asked for 10 days custody, then said that even 7 will be sufficient. But then again, the ED lawyer said that, well, we will need 10 days custody because they want to confront Sanjay Singh with the witnesses and with the evidence as well as the call detail record. So a lot has to happen now, even as the Aam Aadmi Party has said that this is a false allegation. Back to you.
10 days custody is what the Enforcement Directorate wants. In another couple of minutes, hopefully the judge will be out of his chamber to pass that order on what custody is going to be granted to the Enforcement Directorate. Manish, quickly coming to you, you're outside the Enforcement Directorate, you're in touch with your sources as well. 10 days, can you give us a rough overview? Because so far, that big news break that you brought us earlier today about, about the kickbacks or the money amount that has been identified already by the Enforcement Directorate. What are those 10? We can't second guess the judge, obviously. His honorable, the honorable judge will have to come out and pass that order. But in this custody, or for however many days it's going to be, what is it going to look like in terms of the Enforcement Directorate's actions? What are they going to ask him? What are they going to look at to get out of him?
Well, Shiv, the Enforcement Directorate officials are very confident that they are going to get custody of Sanjay Singh. They also claim that all the protocols were followed, while he was arrested. And for them, the challenge was to connecting the dots of evidence. And in this case, the dots are very simple. It has been simplified by the Enforcement Directorate in the remand copy. In the remand copy, they have mentioned that, first of all, they got to know from Dinesh Arora that 2 crore rupees was given to Sanjay Singh. Then they asked Dinesh Arora who were the 2 persons who gave the money. They got 2 names. Then their CDRs were checked. So all those dots have been, connected by the ED officials, and they are confident that they were able to convince the court that they need custodial interrogation of Sanjay Singh. Now, the next few days, when Sanjay Singh will be in ED custody, it is going to be extremely important, because remember, in the court also, the ED counsel said that apart from Sanjay Singh, we also have 2 other names, 2 high-profile names from the Aam Aadmi Party who may be called in for questioning. And remember, when Central Bureau of Investigation was handling the case, then even Arvind Kejriwal was called in for questioning. So in next few days, not only witnesses and accused in the case, but those who are on bail, even there is a possibility that even Manish Sisodia can be confronted with Sanjay Singh, because his name has appeared with Dinesh Arora. So all this is going to be extremely important as far as investigation is concerned, but certainly politics will keep playing at its own pace.
Okay, we're going to wait on that. The most immediate thing we're waiting on, of course, is what's going to happen in the Rouse Avenue court. We'll go back to Anisha and Manish in just a bit.